What's up, guys? This is Jay from the Crypto Org coming back to you with some updated news with on one of my favorite picks, which is Veracity. Now, before I get started, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor, so please, guys, do not take this as financial advice, and also just do your own research as well. So right now, we're towards the end of the month, and a pullback is expected, and I'll show you guys that we are having a pullback. So this is the crypto market right now. We're at 2.3 trillion. Volume is still quite high. The volume will give us an indication how high up and how low we go. Now, the things that you want to be paying attention to when it comes to like understanding where the assets are going to go up or down, you gotta pay attention to the lagging indicator, which is the stable coins. If they're showing in the red, like right now, it would say like 0.99 or something, um, along with USDC as well as BUSD. If they're in the reds, that means they're pulling out of their stable coin bags and buying assets with it. But right now, we're still going to have that pullback. I do believe that this bull run is not done. We are going to have another push towards next month. So there's that. Now let's take a look at what the fuck the Fed is doing. Oh, I should have sworn. Whatever. So right now they're at 1.6 trillion. They will have an update soon for today. Let me actually update this. Oh, okay, still showing that. No updates yet, but it should be happening around this time. So right now they have 1.6 trillion in the market, and they're just doing this to buy assets like treasuries, mortgage-backed securities, as well as cryptocurrencies. So you got to pay attention to that one because during the summer it was just they were just at billions, and then through time they just kept increasing the amount of money that they're playing with. Now another indicator that you want to be paying attention to is crude oil. One of the big banks want this at $100 a barrel or something. So right now it's at 75. So do expect a lot of bad economic news going from here, and each bad economic news will lead to crude oil going up. Now a lot of items are made from oil, so if crude oil price goes up, then it's going to inflate the market as well. And right now, since it's at negative, it's going to be that's going to relate to a what I call pressure in the market. Now, this is probably the biggest indicator out of all of them, which is the dollar index. Now, you can see that it is going down, which is a really, really good sign. So when there's more cheaper dollars in the market will just, I mean, when the dollar goes down, that means more cheaper dollars has to go in to buy out some stuff. So like, let's say, oh fuck, I don't have an example. I can't think of one just yet. I just had a brain fart just now. Oh well. So just know that if the dollar index goes down, that's positive for the stock market and the crypto market as well. But that also you got to take other factors into consideration too. So yeah. So let's see. We have 10-year yield. So they've been manipulating this thing ever since like March or something. So when this goes up, expect it to be a pressure in the market as well. When it goes down, cools down a bit, that means it's not much pressure in the market. That's the way I saw it. And I think the way Gregor Mannarino explains this is it just makes it a good floor for inflation to occur. Because it's been playing around this range for quite some time now. 1.2 to, let's see, 1.7. Right now we're at 1.5. So I think the Fed has like over 100 billion that they get to play with on a monthly basis, and that's what they're using to what do you call curve this yield rate. I don't understand the mechanics involved in it. I just understand it at the surface level. I get most of my information from Gregor Mannarino when it comes to indicators like this. I'm just giving you guys the surface level stuff because I don't want to give you guys like super intricate information that could be wrong because I don't want to lead you to like some dark path or something. I'll give you the general stuff. That's it. This is for beginner friendly people. All right, so let's get to the actual crypto that I want to talk about, which is Veracity. So right now it is trading at around 3.6 cents USD value wise. So right now the market cap is still low in my honest opinion, just based on what they're doing. So they're 166 million market cap. Total supply is 20 billion, which is quite high. I'm not entirely sure if they have some burning mechanics in their protocol, but if they are, they will announce it. If not, they've already announced it. I just don't know. I just don't have an eye on everything right now. But let's take a look at the chart, guys. So its previous high, which occurred in October, is around like 8.5. Damn, it would have been good to pull out around this time and then put it in solo. Oh, that would have been an amazing trade to take away like 8 grand and then put it in solo around that time. I would have had over 100,000 stack of their coins. Oh well, you can't win everything. But anyways, it has gone down from there since then. It's been trading around 4 to 3 cents. So this is definitely a good floor to buy. And remember, that is not financial advice. Now I'm gonna tell you guys more cool news about this. So right now, KuCoin is their highest volume exchange. There are rumors that it's going to be in Coinbase and Binance, and there are some clues in Binance that they are gonna like include it. And one of the clues that I found was there's a coin in Binance called VRAB, and it has the same logo. So I don't know what the story is on that one, but the fact that it's the same logo and it has the same ticker, except the B part, just yo, it kind of gives you a hint. Maybe in a previous project it was called VRAB, but they later moved into VRA. I'm not entirely sure about that. I'm just making shit up. But anyways, right now the current coin is called VRA, and just based on this price chart, it is a good time to buy, in my honest opinion. And with their Vera wallet, they still have 25% APY staking rate, so definitely take advantage of that. All right, let's get some other news. So they recently integrated their technology with Brightcove. Brightcove is a big marketplace, and they have 3,000 customers over 70 countries. So this is definitely great for great for mass adoption news. So just imagine in the future, in the near future, customers are going to be viewing videos using the Veracity tech. So these guys are going to be awarded with VRA coins just by viewing certain videos. And that is definitely good, man, because now when people are stuck in lockdown again, which is going to happen, they're going to be finding other things to do to basically make money while educating themselves with, well, hopefully they're watching educational stuff and not like stuff to just cater towards the pleasure all the time. But they're also targeting the ad market too. So one of the issues that the ad industry is facing are fake views from bots, which is definitely not good for advertisers, because now they're putting their money into fake viewers. So they're not going to get conversions from that. And what Veracity is doing is they have this technology and AI as well. AI is involved in their technology. Basically, it does this thing called like 200 touch points. I don't know what that is. I don't know how to translate that into like layman's terms, but they do a lot of text shit to indicate whether that viewer that's viewing the ad is a real person or not. If you want to dig further into that, it's up to you. Go look into the white paper and the technology behind it, because that to me is just a big mumbo jumbo stuff. I just want to give my viewers basically the surface level stuff, because already transitioning from the old economy way of thinking to the new economy way of thinking is, stressful enough already. You don't need to go deeper into that. Just understand the surface level stuff first before you go deeper, and then give you the surface level stuff. So they are tapping into a $400 billion ad market, and once again, their market cap is still below $1 billion, even $1 billion, guys. And this is just what, 1/5 of a billion or 1/6? No, not 1/6, 16. No, 8/50th? No, wait. 4/25ths of a billion. No, of a billion. What the fuck am I saying, man? Okay, I'm just being stupid right now. Let's move on from there. That was embarrassing. Alright, so here's Indian Crypto saying that top 15 promising projects with a market cap under 200 million. And here you have Veracity as one of them. Now, I'm not too familiar with a lot of these coins, but I know this one's Orion Protocol. That too is it's an amazing project. Please look into that. And this is API 3. I think they do compound staking. I'm not too really entirely sure, but I know the other big influencers are into this. This is Tomo, definitely another high chance coin that'll make it. Let's see. Avigache, I was on this. I made some profit on this. I sold around like $2 when I jumped in around 1.2. Definitely look into this one too. It's a very promising coin. But right now, in terms of marketing, they're very slow. But you know what? Things will pick up the more people get exposed to their game. Let's see her. What's this? Oh, yes. So now, with the Vera wallet, you can now purchase VRA with 0 fees. So that is definitely good, guys. Because now, the barrier to entry has gone down for people. And when it comes to these fees from, like, let's say, Coinbase, you're going to see why this is definitely a good deal. If he's Binance, not Binance, Coinbase takes like 5% of the fees. So, screw that. In the long run, it's not as profitable for you. So that is good news for Veracity, and I think this is the Medium blog post for their partnership with Brightcove. So let's take a look at this. Oh, see, once again, 3,000 customers over 70 countries, and they want to deliver the most reliable, scalable, and secure video technology solution to the media and enterprise organizations. Let's see, what else can I show you guys? Proof of view, I told you about that. There's AI involved in there, and yes, artificial intelligence is one of the biggest disruptor in this new economy, and the reward system too for basically the people that are viewing the videos. Give them a reward for using up their time to view someone's hard work. Let's see, what else can I show you guys? Yeah, this is a very quick read, guys. It's not going to take you that long. And it says here is a 3-minute read. It's not going to hurt you to read stuff rather than waiting for people to just read it for you or give you the surface level stuff. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. I do have other news. I do have other ideas for videos to make. When it comes to crypto, man, things are changing like left and right within the hour. So there's always something to talk about. But if you guys want more like really targeted information on certain topics, not just like crypto in general, but what's going on in the overall sphere of the earth. Sphere. I'm a flat earther, man. But anyways, yeah, look into these channels: Gregor Manarino, Crypto Teacher, and Mega Yacht Cult, MYC Network. Those are my top 3 channels to follow all the time. I always listen to Dion's picks about like his view on the market, as well as super detailed information on certain picks. Like right now we're on EQ. You know what? I'm just gonna save it for the next video. I'll talk more about it in the next video, not this one. But anyways, if you did enjoy this information, please do press that like button. Also share this information as well, and also subscribe. That's all I got. Bye.